If you know a foreign language, you have probably noticed that when you speak, you become slightly or even completely different person. And languages don't just change your personality, they can also change the way you think, as different cultures have their own way of seeing the world. For example, there is a language that will not bother you with the confusion of left and right. Instead, the people who speak it use compass directions. We love exploring the other cultures and their languages. This is how your thinking can change if you learn more about them. In this video, we will discuss 4 different scenarios where different cultures have a different way of thinking it. So hit the like button now and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with the video. Different cultures perceive colors differently. Some languages have only 2 words to describe colors, such as light and dark. Dark is used for cool colors, such as green, blue and black. Light is used for warm colors, such as yellow, red and orange. There is also a language that does not have a term for word color. Instead, they use other words to describe objects based on textures and what they are used for. Throughout your life, it is even possible to change the way you see color. For example, the Greeks have 2 different words to describe light and dark blue, while in UK, blue is used to describe these 2 colors. However, Greek speakers may start to see these 2 colors as more similar after spending a lot of time in UK. In the English language, we use terms like left, right, forward and back to describe where someone should go or where an object is. This sometimes creates a lot of confusion because one person's left can be another's right. But there are some cultures where languages helps them avoid this kind of confusion because they use compass direction such as north, south, west and east. It would be difficult for an English speaker to tell where north and south are immediate. But in some Australian Aboriginal languages, for example, it's as easy as knowing where left and right sides are. Probably because it was important for them to orient themselves well in space, and that influenced their language. There was an experiment to show how people who speak different languages think. Participants sat at a table with an arrow in front of them pointing north to the right. Then they had to rotate 180 degrees to face another table with 2 arrows, one pointing north to the left of the person and one pointing south to the right of the person. The participants were then asked to choose the arrow pointing in the same direction as the first one. For English speakers, the same means pointing to the right. On the other hand, speakers of particular Mayan language chose the arrow pointing to the left because the same meant pointing north to them. Languages can have natural genders. Sometimes nouns can be divided into animate and inanimate objects like Japanese. If there are classes of noun that describe men like boys and fathers, women as daughters and mothers, and non-living objects, there are also natural genera. In English, we use he, she and it to describe these objects. There are also grammatical genders which can be found in German, Spanish and French. This means that they also use he and she to refer to inanimate objects, and that can influence the way they think about these objects. In one experiment, participants were given a key and asked to describe it. Spanish speakers tend to use adjectives that fit female stereotypes to describe the key, such as tiny and beautiful because it's female in Spanish. In contrast, the word key is male in German. So German speakers used words that fit male stereotypes such as useful, heavy and strong. English speakers view time in blocks as a group of objects such as minutes, hours and days. This may be why we think time as things that can be saved, wasted or lost. In contrast, the Hopi language does not have tenses as we know them, and they view time as a continuous cycle. In addition, English speakers think about time horizontally and use the words that refer to the front and back to talk about future and past. For example, you may be anxious to see someone and want to go back in time. Mandarin speakers, on the other hand, refer up and down. Do you know of similar examples of how cultures differ in their way of thinking? If you speak a foreign language, did you notice if that made you think or behave differently? What do you like most about learning languages? Share your views in the comments, as I'd love to read them. Also, if you feel you learned something new today and enjoyed the video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with a new topic. See you soon.